This property is on Tremco's books and is on a 5-year maintenance plan. Tremco's maintenance team is called out every 5 years as soon as the guarantee expires. When a property is on regular maintenance schedule, small repairs on the roof are easily tackled and even waterproofing material replacement is a breeze. When not maintained regularly, the roof will fail and the property in danger of falling in ruins. Work was done. The roof was cleaned by Tremco's expert maintenance team using a high-pressure hose. Waterproofing and barge boards were replaced wherever necessary. The roof was then painted with a quality UV-resistant paint. It is a quick and easy job when Mo left for problems to appear first before you attend to the roof. A newly renovated roof will always add to the property's aesthetics, and the roof is good to serve its purpose for the next 5 years. Occupants can now rest assured that they will be protected from the weather. Another 5-year guarantee certificate on the roof is issued by Tremco that covers all material and workmanship. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708 270.